everybody, it's Velvet. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I got my new Pink and Main kit for the month. And just to let you know, this is my last one because I have switched over to the card kit. And truthfully, I was just finding that I wasn't crazy about some of the papers because it's got a coating on it, and I prefer the rougher papers, you know, the uncoated things. So that's one of the reasons that I quit this. Also, this is more expensive than the card kit, and really I find what I'd use the Pink and Main stuff for is for card kits. So let me just see if I can't get you straightened out here. I don't know what's going on. Well, I don't know. I'm going to pull you back a little bit. Sorry. Okay, so here we go. Here's our unboxing. E-paper, I love that. Let's take everything out. Set the box aside. Alright. You can already see there's some sparkly stuff. Alright, so this month's theme is surprise, and you can see the colors. It looks like black, white, and gold. Probably some silver too. Yeah, gray, silver. So we have an exclusive 6x6 stamp set. So let's pull this stuff out. And we'll find stuff as we go. So here is the stamp set. That's pretty cool. I'm glad that I got this one instead of canceling the month before. This is pretty cool. Okay. Exclusive die set, which is here, and it looks like they've given us dies for everything that's in this stamp set. So that's nice, including the words. I love that. We have an exclusive stencil. Confetti, looks like. That's fun. We have an exclusive sequin set, which went flying across my desk. Fun. And there's stars in here, and some of the sequins have some texture to them. So that's fun. We have a 6x6 paper pad. Here it is. Love these colors. I suspect this is going to be a coated paper. And let's see. Indeed, it is. See how it slips all around? That's what I don't like about it. Also, I don't like that it's hard to stamp on. Although, with these big, busy patterns, I don't think you'd want to stamp on these anyway. And, as you can see, it's all double-sided. Oh, look at this one, fun one. I love polka dots, just like my mom used to. So this is kind of fun. You get an idea of what they're giving you. That's nice. These would probably be nice for graduation, too. Graduation cards. It's called Black Tie Party, in case you were wondering. We've got a 6x6 embossing folder. Oh, that's nice. I don't think this is a pattern that I have already, so that could be fun. We've got 4 sheets of glitter paper. Look at this. Wow. That is glittery. It's actually hurting my eyes. No, seriously. It's hurting my eyes. I hope it doesn't hurt yours. That black one's kind of cool. And the white one has a little bit of iridescence to it. Okay. We've got 2 sheets of 110-pound white cardstock. That's this. That is some thick cardstock. I would not use these for card bases. I would use these for die cuts, I think. We have, I'm going to skip down. 1 sheet of specialty cardstock, and I don't know if you can tell, but the bumps are raised. So, I don't know. Maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. We, of course, have our mesh project bag. We have enamel dots. They're kind of, they're clear, but I don't think they're transparent. I think they're an opaque clear dot. Nice though. And envelope seals as always. Surprise! I, of course, would probably turn these into embellishments, I think. So that is what we have in this. Here's your color palette. We've got the silver or white, gray, black, yellow, and an orangey gold. And that's what we have. So I think I'm actually going to end this there so that you have a nice short video to watch. And then I will tag Pink and Main so that you can find their stuff. And then I will, as soon as I get the card kit, I'll do another video. Maybe I'll even put them together so you can see them. At any rate, thank you so much for stopping by, for smashing that like button, for subscribing. I do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Have a great week. Bye.